Salesforce Space Station.
Hello, so today I'll be discussing Salesforce Chatter. As you can see in your screen, I'm in my Salesforce org, accessing the Chatter tab. So what is Salesforce Chatter? It is a powerful tool that transforms the way teams collaborate within your organization. At its core, it's like a social media platform designed exclusively for your company. So key points about Salesforce Chatter include real-time collaboration. Chatter allows you to connect, share ideas, and collaborate in real time, breaking down communication barriers and fostering a sense of unity within your organization. Second is feed based updates. Just like social media feed, Chatter displays updates, posts, and comments in a chronological order, ensuring everyone stays informed about unimportant discussions and activities. Next is profiles and following. Each employee has their own Chatter profile. Right now, you're at my Chatter profile where you can share your expertise, skills, and interests. Users can follow each other to receive updates and stay connected. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features that make Chatter so effective in fostering collaboration. So we have Chatter Feed. Chatter Feed is the heart of the platform where your employees can post updates, share files, and ask questions. Team members can interact by commenting, liking, or even sharing posts. So right now here I'm in the Chatter Feed. As you can see, I can post something. Let's say, let's have a quick meeting, and I can share it. Other users can also like this, comment, and share this post. You can also put in a poll and a question. Next is groups. Chatter allows the creation of groups based on departments, projects, or interest. Groups serve as virtual collaboration spaces where members can share specific updates, documents, and have focused discussion. So I will go into groups and I'll walk you through the steps of creating one. So I'm in groups. I can click on the new button. Then I can put in, let's say, Chatter group as a sample. I'll be the owner. And for access type, let's leave it as public. We can add also an image, add a user or a member. You can define whether it's a member or a manager. Okay, so now you have a public Chatter group. And then if I go back into that Chatter feed, I can definitely mention that group. So for example, let's say Chatter group. Right, and that if I go into that Chatter group, I can see that I have mentioned them in my feed. Next is the files and documents. So Chatter integrates Salesforce files, make it easy to share important documents within the context of discussion. So no more digging through emails or shared drive. So I can show that to you as well. I'll go back into Chatter. I can definitely attach up to 10 files. So you can upload files from your computer or select it from the files that you've already saved here in your Salesforce org. So Salesforce Chatter is not limited to desktop. Within its mobile app, employees can stay connected on the go. So there are other significant benefits that Salesforce Chatter brings to your organization. So enhanced communication. Chatter breaks down communication silos and enable employees to have open, transparent, and instant communication across departments and teams. It also increased productivity and it boosted collaboration. So it encouraged employees to share knowledge, brainstorm ideas, and work together. So that's it. If you need more information about Salesforce Chatter, please visit salesforce.com. Thank you.
Salesforce Space Station.